Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Stripe and Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Now go to the first trigger and search for Klaviyo. Select Klaviyo from the options. Next, move to the second trigger and search for Stripe. Select Stripe. Return to the Klaviyo setup and complete the trigger event options. Click on the Select option to connect your Klaviyo account. Click Allow to grant access, then click Continue. Fill in all the configuration settings and click Continue. Complete the test settings and click Continue. Now, move to the Stripe setup and complete the action event options. Click Sign In to connect your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe API key to connect. Copy the API key from Stripe and paste it here. Then click Yes to continue. Next, enter your Stripe Gmail address, click Submit, and create a password of at least 10 characters. Click Submit. You can also enter it manually by scanning a QR code. Click Next, and then enter the verification code from your Authenticator app. Fill in all the configuration settings, then complete the test settings. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.